Good morning, Savorers. We have a kitty in our yard. I don't see that very often. It is about 10 o'clock Saturday morning. Had a great time at Frontier watching Joe New, the Joe New combo. Really good singer-songwriter if you ever get a chance to see him. Really good musician, great voice, and just a fun place too. Good food and drinks. Definitely highly recommend Frontier Public House. It's about 50 degrees and it's supposed to get in the mid-50s today, so looked up at the mountain. It's about 36, so I don't know that we're going skiing. It's gonna be slushy and crappy snow. So quote for the day around habits: successful people are simply those with successful habits. Brian Tracy. Well, and that is such a loaded statement, but what's your definition of success and what things you're looking at? The new year brings on that kind of mental challenges. I'm going to do something different. I'm going to make some changes and change some habits. And I think really looking at your definition of success in a certain area, get some clarity around what that is, and then start making some movements to make those changes. So a lot of things to think about. So one of our why areas this year, a couple areas, is just my health that I'm looking at to make more successful, and then relationships as well. So some things I'm looking at for the year. If you have anything that you're thinking about or have started and already quit, which is, I think most people, they say most people have their New Year's resolutions last for about 30 days. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I am making my first attempt at tamales. I've eaten so many good tamales here in the last year. It's like, I think I can do this. So we'll see what it turns out. I am just taking a mindful moment here. It is sunny outside. It's about 55 degrees in January and not raining. And just looking at the plants are starting to bloom already. Northwest is wild. It's like so much stuff happens in February, and we've got little daffodils up there are getting ready to pop. I think when it's raining, we just kind of overlook all that stuff, and just means spring's coming. Okay, so we're getting tamales. So there's going to be the red chili sauce, and then we've got a tomatillo green sauce. It's like 3 brand new recipes. So, and then we've got corn husks soaking here, and then masa, and then the pork. So this is not, I think everything individually is simple and easy, but you put 4 or 5 new things together, I might be a little overwhelmed. Okay, so essentially this is my worst nightmare. Every space on all the counters is covered with stuff. And if you saw the Thai dinner we cooked when we got back from Thailand, this is the same thing. It was like 4 different recipes. I should be really wigging out, and I'm doing fairly well. So just kind of chipping away at it, just as you would with anything. So we have the mosses mixed up over here, and just putting I'm gonna do a green salsa and cilantro pork filling, and then an adobo red chili filling, and I'm excited to try it. Hope it turns out. Okay, so here we go. We've got half of the red sauce, half the green sauce, and doing a little Instant Pot. And it should take about 15-20 minutes, maybe 30.